Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're getting to the point where we're going to start doing a lot more in-depth stuff. And we're going to get pretty sophisticated, and we're going to start going outside of Python. So before we can do that, we have to check a couple things. So alright, first of all, if anybody's heard about Path or have seen Path or doesn't really know what Path is, that's what we're going to be talking about. And a way to look at it is it's the path for the instructions or the command that you're typing in to let whatever operating system, what we're going to be working with is Windows, where to go look. That's all a computer knows how to do. It's just like when we assign a variable, it goes and puts that in a certain place in memory. Well, guess what? Files have the same rules. So, alright, this is one don't have 3.7 on, so this is the path. If you want to get if you did not click add Python 3.7 to path like this, I'm going to show you the other way. So let's cancel that out. Yes, I don't want to install. Let's see. There. So what you do is you go to your start bar. You can't see it on mine, but edit system environment variables. That's where path lives. Environment variables. So okay. So this is what it is. If you do not have, you're going to find path. That's what you're looking for. That's the variable. Hit edit and you're going to get this drop down. So let's just say that you forgot to click any of this. So you'd hit new. I have it here. But you'd hit new, and these are very important in case you don't have any experience. This is a backslash. It's leaning back. It is not the same as /. So wherever your directory is, so wherever you have your Python, you can go and type Python into your search, and then you would come here and click and say open file location, and then you'd see and find out where your idle and your main lives. So alright, let's go back for a second. So okay, so this is where Python and all your information. And now this is very important. So, and I'm going to explain this to you. Other places just tell you what to do. I'm going to tell you why you're doing it. And this is important. So what this path does is when we're going to go outside of Python and we're going to download files, this is the directory or subdirectory, however you want to think about it. Scripts. This is what you want. You want all this information, and then you're going to click and save, and it's going to be just like this. So, and then you're going to click OK. You're going to end it with another backslash. But this is why scripts is important. So I'm going to show you inside mine scripts. This is what you're looking for. This is what we're going to use. So you might say, well, it just looks like any other Python file. Nope. It's not a Python extension. It's an application. So what that is doing is we're going to use this application, it's not a regular file. It's been compressed into an application. So it's going to go and do something. So when we type what we're going to use next video, I think it'll be in 2 videos, because I'm going to do something different next video. That'll be episode 200. So alright, this is what our goal that we're really striving to. So that is how you do path, and our ultimate goal is we're going to be using an application, so it's going to know where to come and look for it. That's why that scripts directory is very important. But this is how you set up the path yourself. You could go and uninstall it if you don't feel comfortable doing that. I completely understand. I know I didn't understand it There were a couple places that tell you what to do, but they don't explain it. If you're like me, I have to understand why I'm doing it, have to do it a couple times, and then I get it. So that was very important for me to understand, because then you can move on, because I didn't understand why we were doing scripts. And then I started poking around and doing a little bit more research, reading the documentation, that this is our ultimate goal of what we're doing. And we'll start doing more with this and really start getting to do some pretty cool stuff. So, all right, there you go. And if you're having if you're having a hard time with this, put a comment below and I'll help you out with it, because I want you guys, if you spend the time on this, anybody can do it. If I can do it, anybody can. So, thanks for watching. Don't forget to click that like and subscribe button, and most important, that notification bell, because I don't want you missing anything. Thanks for watching again, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.